interesting and enjoyable. Who does not like to play? Everyone enjoys playing. And if that happens to be a mode of learning, everyone will enjoy. Is it not? Let us discuss now about the role of play in learning. What is play? Play is the work of children. As adults have their own work, play is children's work. Play consists of those activities performed for self amusement, that is, for the enjoyment of the child. And play will have rewards in the form of behavior, social, and psychomotor. So, all the aspects of the child is rewarded through play. Play is child directed, and rewards come from within the individual child and not from others. So, they enjoy the pleasure of playing. Play is enjoyable and at times it is spontaneous. Importance of play. Play is very important to child's development because it forms integral part of child's early years of development and lays foundation to the early childhood development. Young children can develop many skills through play, that is social skills in the form of sharing, waiting for the turn, working in group, etc. They can be creative by manipulating the objects, inventing new play, and they will develop eye hand coordination, which is very much essential for their later fine motor skill development. Problem solving and imagination also is developed through play. Types of play for children. This picture shows us different types of play which is suitable for the children, or usually the children will undertake based on their characteristics and nature. The first one is unoccupied play. In unoccupied play, the child will remain alone and will not be affected by the activities which happens around the environment. The child will remain alone and will never involve in any of the activity. The second type of play is solitary. Here, the child will play on its own. The child will manipulate the objects in the environment. The child will make use of the materials which are available near to him, and the child will play on its own. Here, the child is not bothered about the other individuals in the environment. The third type of play is onlooker. The child will not involve himself or herself in the play, simply, he will watch others playing. Next type of play is parallel play. Here also, children will sit nearby or maybe in a few distance, but they will play with the materials with which they have. They will not engage with each other or they will not share things. Simply, they will play on their own. The only thing is his peer group or some other person will be sitting next to the child. The next type of play is associative play. In associative play, two children or three children will join together and play. Maybe they will be working on different themes, but they will share the materials which they have and try to form different objects. Like, see, nowadays the materials are available, like the blocks and all. So maybe they may join blocks or sand play. All the children will be playing in the sand, but they themselves will be involved in building. Like, one child will be building a temple, the other child will be building a house, or they will share the materials like that. The next type of play is cooperative play. Here only the children will join together in a group and play. They will wait for their turns, they will share things, and they will give recognition to the emotion of the other children who plays along with them in the team. Benefits of play. Play develops for problem solving ability of the child, which helps them to learn the cause and the effect of a circumstance or a situation. Learning how to play with others helps them to learn compromising skills, develops conflict resolution and sharing. Play also develops fine and gross motor skills of the child so that which can be used in the later development in their academics and the later year development. Play nurtures creativity and imagination of the child. Play helps children to discover their independence and positive self esteem. The following areas are developed out of play. Physical development. Naturally, as play is a physical activity, the physical development of the child improves. As the play involves creativity and imagination, it develops the cognitive development of the child also. As children play in group, it helps to develop their socio-emotional area. Language development also happens through play. Why? Because they will share things with them either orally or they will ask a question, try to answer that question, and such type of play activities will develop the language of the children. The following skills are developed out of play. That is, children's verbalization increases, their language comprehension improves, vocabulary building improves, imagination develops, questioning skills develop, problem solving ability also improves, observes others play, and observation skills of the child improves, develops empathy towards the fellow person, then cooperative skills of the child also increases.